Greetings, everyone. Today we've got the diamond crystal. Natural diamond crystals are isometric, means that they have a lot of equal proportions, as far as I know. So they come in the octahedron, which is seen here, but it doesn't have all its sides yet. And then it also comes in a tetrahedron, which is like a pyramid but with three sides. All the triangles are the same size. And then it also comes in a cube. Everybody knows what that looks like. And the dodecahedron, the dodecahedron, 12 sides. And so those can really be made into some fancy cuts. But when they first started cutting diamonds, they used this shape to try to save a lot of the diamond. Now, they're experts at it. But anyway, so we've got a slightly different, I'll show you how to make this one. You can leave the back open, or you can close it, but it has the seam of the white paper. But what we're going to make is a dual tetrahedron, regular. And it's like a diamond first cut, except, a little bit less sides, or it's a double tetrahedron. And it'd be pretty cool. It's pretty easy. All right, we're back with another Money Origami Originals. So I just figured this out the other night. Fold it in half. Crease that down. All the creases can be sturdy on this model. And then what you do is you make the triangle base. So you fold the point over to the center line. Make a good sharp point here, lining it up with the center and that point. And you crease that. And you fold over along this line, but bringing this to a really sharp point. Make sure everything's nice and even on this model. Crease that down. Now open that up. Now do it the opposite direction. So you open that up, now you fold this one over. And you line up the points just like the other time. And you crease it. Fold along this short edge. Make a really good point here. Okay, now open it up. Now turn the bill around and do the same thing from the other side. Open it up, reverse. Okay. So now, where these two diagonals intersect, and these are all, in. So now we're folding this back this way. And you can line up those two creases right here. Make sure you got a good point right there. And we're just folding straight across. Now there's a little diamond shape here. Skip that one. What we're doing is folding in half where the triangle is like that on top. So right there, see there's one, and right here, and right here. So you fold it in half backwards. And crease them down. And then the next one's over here. See? And then the last one right here. Okay. So now Alright, so now I have the back facing here. And you're just going to use all the existing folds. You can go over them again if you want, if you're having trouble getting it together or making it look really nice. But now just where you made these reverse folds, you start on that, collapse that over, and collapse that one over, and just fold that inside. Well, actually, that doesn't even matter yet. Yeah, I want to show you another little variation. So you just collapse that together, and then you just do the next one, and you just do the next one, and then the last one. And just tuck those little corners in. And then you can make it like the octahedron. And you put a little piece of tape there if you want to do that. You can use that to tape it to a string and make ornaments. But you can also fold these to the inside. And then you can put this one to the inside too. But you want to tuck these flaps behind here. The center one, the little corner you make, you tuck it, you pinch it together, it's right there, and then you put this one over it and tuck it in. Now that holds, oh, I missed this one. So you just tuck it in there underneath that. And then you do the same thing on this side. Move this out. Push these ones over. Squish it a little bit like that. And then tuck these over top. And it's a little tricky getting all four at once, but there we go. So now it stays together pretty nice like that. And so there's the octahedron diamond crystal. So you can tape it, or you can do that, and you can just have it where, yeah, I understand there's a side missing. But so here's the model, and you can put stuff inside it. And it's dual tetrahedron. And you just leave one side tucked in like you had it. And then on the other side, when you close it, you put these flaps right here this time. You can tuck them in if you want, it doesn't matter. But then this point goes inside here, and you close it like that. And now it's a little box. It's pretty cool. You can put stuff in there. Alright, so that's as far as I can go with this little simple diamond crystal, or first cut. That's what they're like. Appreciate you watching, sharing, liking, subscribing. It's all good. And hope you enjoy the model. Have a great day.